Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily change the mouse pointer speed on Windows 11. It's very easy. At first go to the start button on Windows 11. Click here. After that click on settings. If you are unable to find these settings, type settings here. On typing, click on open to open the settings. On the left you can see the settings are visible, all the settings. For mouse pointer, click on accessibility. After clicking on the right, we have this mouse pointer and touch settings. You need to click here. After clicking from here, you can change the mouse pointer style, the color, the size also. But what we want to change the speed. We want to change the speed. So click here, mouse under related settings. Herein guys, the speed section is visible. By default, it's the following. You can change it. It's on 10. You can change it to 20 if you want a good speed. I prefer keeping it here itself. If you want, you can change it. You don't need to save it because it will get saved by default. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily change the mouse pointer speed on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.